what are the misconceptions that people in our country have about the erotic industry?
There are lots of misconceptions people have, because I do get responses and I do get questions like कि मैम अगर आप शूट कर रहे हो तो आप एक्चुअल में सेक्स कर रहे होते हो. Like मैं सोचती हूँ इतना हाई लेवल ऑफ इलिटरेसी कैसे है लोगों के अंदर, you know, ये लोग क्यों नहीं समझते कि वो सिर्फ शूट होता है. इट्स जस्ट अ शूटिंग, वी आर जस्ट इमोटिंग, यू नो. हम तो इरोटिक हैं तो हम उस एक्सप्रेशन को इमोट करते हैं. समटाइम्स so there is no one on top of us and we are just giving expressions. Yeah, just for the camera.
And when we do those scenes, by the way, there's a pillow.
Yeah.
There's a cushion.
Even if he's humping on me during the scene, there is a pillow between our private parts. So that his private part does not touch.
We just make it look like a thong, so that, and then we put our hands there. So on camera, technically it looks as if we are nude and we are actually enjoying it. But we are actually sweating and just gasping for breath.
Even if it's a backless, we have silicons on our, so none of our private
parts are being shown. There are a lot of misconceptions. And first of all, they think that we are actually paid a lot. Initially I was, sometimes I am, but money for newcomers is not that good. People should know, because I wanted to put this out because I don't know, I get at least 500 DMs a day only begging for work. Literally I'm using this word because they are literally sending me videos with folded hands. Sir, मैं भीख मांग रहा हूँ, मुझे काम दे दो. So I want to tell the youth, please don't get influenced by this industry or to join this industry.
Absolutely.
Because you will lose a lot of reputation in the society. I fought in a way silently. Maybe this was my destiny. I never gave up. But for people I have seen, they have lost their careers. As in, some of them are working in some offices. Masti mazak mein ek film kar liya. They have lost their jobs. Parents have thrown them out. So I don't know. People are crazy right now. Literally, I'm using this word, but they should not.
And adding to this, I would say that ठीक है, सनी लियोनी बन गई, जॉनी सिंस बन गया, बट वो 2-4 लोग ही हैं जो पॉर्न इंडस्ट्री में नाम कमा पाए हैं. इरोटिका का भी यही चक्कर है कि इसमें भी जो लोग इनिशियली घुस गए ना, जो मतलब पायनियर टाइम जिसको बोलते हैं, उनको वो फेम मिल गया, उनको वो सक्सेस मिल गया, बट नॉट एवरीवन. तो आप प्लीज़, जैसे शेक्सपियर ने क्लियरली बोला कि प्लीज़ इन्फ्लुएंस मत होइए. यू नो, यू बेटर नो व्हाट्स फॉर योर सेल्फ. वी वर लकी इनफ that we got that popularity, we got that fame, and we earned that kind of money, but it's not for everyone. So we just don't, you know, be blindfolded and just follow anything.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic Screen magazine. It is, I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, you know, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath. You know,
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है.
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है. फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना. आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे.
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. You know, किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, you know, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.